You don't know your friend that is always at home. You don't know what they do, but they're always making money. Well, I can't tell you their secrets, but in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 weird but profitable remote jobs in 2025 that you can do to live like them. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyeka Adidayo. I'm a full stack marketer and community builder. If you're just landing on this channel for the first time, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now, today we're talking about 4 weird but profitable remote jobs that you can do in 2025 to make money. And guys, I'm not even joking. These are profitable gigs that you can actually do. Number one, being a connector. Have you met those people? They can connect an individual to jobs. They can connect a company to events. They can connect businesses to clients. Well, those people, we call them connectors, and they are always making money because they always get a commission. In the past, I have helped some companies hire talent and gotten paid for it. I think then they paid me 50,000 naira, and this happened like twice. Now, imagine if I decide to do that for maybe 100 other people. Calculate it, do the math. That's a lot of money. Now, in the case of companies connecting to events, I've seen companies pay people to recommend events to them to sponsor. Like, it's crazy. Yes, follow the storyline. A friend of mine got paid $200 one time to connect a company to an event that they could sponsor in Africa. It's crazy, guys, but it's real. There's also the aspect of connecting businesses to clients. When you are connecting a business to a client, you don't even have to ask for a commission, but just the fact that you connected the business to the client, the business may want to show you love and then give you some money. These are easy ways that you can earn. You don't have to lift a finger, just connect people. That's it. Now, number two, being a subcontractor. In 2025, the freelancing market is changing. Even remote work is changing, right? You don't need to be the one chasing clients. Not be all of us go chase clients. Not be all of us go run agency. No, it's not all of us. No, some of us, we are just born to be subcontractors, and that's totally fine, right? Chase your fellow freelancers. Be asking them, do you have so much work on hand? Please pass it to me. I'm very relevant. They will take their commission off of the pay, and then you deliver and get a percent. Like, subcontracting is a thing now. So if you want to get into the freelance ecosystem and probably you're trying to get clients and it's not working, my dear, chase your fellow freelancers. They have jobs. Chase them. Go and collect some jobs. Now, number three, paid user research. Now, this is not paid service because somebody will be sitting there and saying, oh, it's just paid service. Nope, this is not paid service. The difference is in paid service, you're just coming in to give your opinion, whether you've used the product or not, or whether you are even in a role that speaks directly to that survey you're filling, right? You're just giving your opinion. Now, in paid user research, you are identified as a potential fit for the research that maybe the company is carrying out, and then they invite you to share your opinion and they pay you for it. And I'll give an example. In the past, SEMrush paid me 50 USD to participate in a full stack marketing research, right? And all I needed to do was come on a call with the SEMrush team and share my experience, how I work as a full stack marketer. And for doing this, I got paid. So if this is your route, go for it. Paid user research. Search for platforms on Google that allow you to involve yourself in paid user research and get paid. Now, finally, AI writing assistance. I know it's 2025. Is it even possible for you to talk about something without saying AI? I don't think it is. But yes, AI writing assistance. Companies are paying people to train AI on local languages. So train AI on how to speak maybe Nigerian language, train AI on how to speak pidgin, train AI on how to do this, how to do that. Also, there are cases where you're training AI on how to respond to customers and things like that. So there are jobs like that out there. I think that they're very rampant right now, but you have to be careful so you don't get scammed in your bid to make easy money. But yeah, these are the 4 weird but highly profitable remote jobs that you can do in 2025 and get paid. And guys, I'm not telling you something that I haven't practiced, right? I've been involved in these things and it works. You can get paid. So go out there and get that money. Yeah. See you in the next video. And before you leave, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button.